Can you really create this surreal water drop art in Canva without Photoshop? Yes, you can, and I will show you step by step how to do it right now. Let's turn your ideas into stunning digital illusions straight from Canva. So open your Canva and choose your page size. I use Instagram post size here. And then let's create the background and type here odd wall on the photos. And then scroll down. I will choose this one. Set as background. Click here and click edit and adjust. And then add a contrast and the sharpness and also the vignette. All right. Go to element and then find this realistic water drop. Okay. And then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. Select the molds and right click. Download selection. Transparent background and click download. Remove the origins. Upload the download file. Okay, I will place it here. First, I will reduce the size. Duplicate and move it here. Select the origin. And then I will click this color. I will change it to gray. And then I will move it right on the origin and crop it. Go to element. Scroll down. Find the frame. Choose circle. And then reduce the size. And reduce the height. Move it here. And increase the width. And then type here water surface. On the photos, scroll down. And I will choose this one. Insert to the frame. Double click. Move it to the top like this. Done. And then go to element, type golden fish. Choose on the graphic, but choose the realistic one. I will choose this one. And reduce the size. Increase more and rotate a little like this. We'll move it here. And then go to element. And then find this water bubbles illusion. I will change it to white. Okay, place it here. And then type here black gradient shadow. Enter. On the graphic, I will choose this one. I will rotate. Place it here. Reduce the transparency. And I will move and I will increase the size of the fish. Okay. And then find on the element water drops. Okay, I will place it here. And also this one, transparent water drop. I will move it here just to give water effect. Okay. And then as the finish, I will type here, tap, enter on the photos. And then scroll down, I will find the old style. I think this one. Okay. Remove background. Place it here. Go to edit and adjust. I will scroll down and increase the sharpness, clarity, and vignette. And I will reduce the saturation. a little. Okay. And then duplicate. Go to edit, dual tone, custom, change highlight to black, shadow to black, wait until it become a check mark, and back, blur, whole image, intensity about 50 or more, and close, and then reduce the transparency, and send it to back, reduce transparency again, okay, alright. So now we have it. So this is the tutorial. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.